12, a clever cat. Seekor kucing yang cerdik. It was 2 o'clock in the morning and it was very dark. Itu jam 2 di pagi hari dan itu sangat gelap. Mrs. Thompson wake up his wife. Tuan Thompson membangunkan anaknya. Iron, he called softly, the baby's crying. Tuan Thompson, Iron, dia memanggil dengan lembut. Bayi sedang menangis. Mrs. Thompson sat up in the bed and listened. Nyonya Thompson duduk di ranjang dan mendengarkan. It's not the baby, Jim, she said. It's a cat. Itu bukan bayi, Jim, dia berkata. Itu adalah seekor kucing. It can be, her husband said. I'll go and look. Itu mungkin, suaminya berkata. Saya akan pergi dan melihat. Mrs. Thompson get up and went to the window. Tuan Thompson bangun dan pergi ke jendela. You're right, Irene, he said. That's a cat in the garden. Listen to it. Kamu benar, Irene, dia berkata. Itu adalah seekor kucing di taman. Dengarkan itu. You must stop it, Jim. Kamu harus menghentikannya, Jim. Mrs. Thompson said. Nyonya Thompson berkata. That can will wake up the baby. Kucing itu akan membangunkan bayi. What can I do? Apa yang dapat saya lakukan? Mrs. Thompson asked. Nyonya Thompson berkata, Tuan Thompson berkata. It's very cold. Itu sangat dingin. I'm not going into the garden. Saya tidak akan masuk ke taman. Throw a shoot at it. Saya tidak bisa lemparlah sebuah sepatu pada kucing itu. His wife suggests. Tuan Thompson menjawab. I can do that. Saya tidak dapat melakukan itu, Mr. Thompson answered. Tuan Thompson menjawab. Why not? Kenapa tidak? His wife asked. Istrinya berkata. Can you see it? Kamu dapat melihat itu? I can see it very well. Saya dapat melihatnya dengan baik. Mr. Thompson said. Tuan Thompson berkata. But I can throw a shoe at it. It's sitting on my greenhouse. Tapi kucing itu sedang duduk di rumah kacaku. Thank you.